Content is for adult collectors of the hobby and a general audience of 13 years or older.
Get on Beybladers, BladeBayX here, and today we are testing out our custom combo, Leon Claw, our 980 point. Now 980 isn't out yet, we had to custom build this one ourselves using one of these Y1 screwdrivers. All you do is remove the inner parts. We took the 9 from Phoenix Wing and we took the 80 from, I think this might have been possibly the red recolor Ratchet. I can't remember what came with a Leon Claw, but it's one of the recent boosters, I think. But yeah, we've chucked them together and it's worked really, really nicely. Go check out Metal Top's channel. He's the one that put me onto this. He's made a video tutorial on how to do it. Today's video isn't a tutorial. Today we're testing its burst resistance. So we've got some scientific testing to do today. Here we have 5 combos from our lovely subscribers. We're going to see how often they win and lose, of course, but what we're seeing is how many times we can burst the 960 Ratchet. That's the important one. So we're going to do 100 battles. They're going to get 20 battles for each combo. Let's get started. So first up from Spaghetti, we have Shark Edge 460 on Needle as a nice strong static attacker. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. And Leon Claw gets the first win. Oh, we got our first burst, but it's the wrong way round. This is my warning to everyone. Put in low resistance bits on low resistance ratchets. You'll get burst by Leon Claw combos. We'll do that one again. That was a in the air collision. So if you're wondering what setup I'm using, this is from Noozle 3D. He does actually have attachments to link these two parts together, but I've only got the ripcord ones, but I'm pretty happy doing this at the moment. He also has got new angled launchers so that you can separate the degree that you launch both your bays at. He's got a few different degrees of there. Check out his website and use code BladeBayX for, I believe, 10% off your order. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Yeesh! Okay, we're halfway through this first combo and we are yet to have a burst, but we are also 50-50 win-lose ratio. Let it rip. Okay, so Shark Edge can definitely get the extreme finishes, but it hasn't hit a burst yet and we've only got 2 more battles. Let's see what it can do. Okay, last battle between these two. Can it get 1 burst? The answer is no. So no burst from Shark Edge there, but Spaghetti's got another combo later on in the combo. Let's move on to Number Mitzi's Rhino Horn 460 low flat. I think this one's gonna smash it about. Let's see if we can get some bursts. And here is Number Mitzi's combo. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Rhino Horn not wanting to move there. Did I weak launch it or something? My bad. Okay, again we're on to our last two battles and we still have 0 bursts, so let's see if we can get it done. Let it rip. Last chance for number Mitzi to get a burst. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Hitting the Ratchet, but I think it might win the round, but will it burst? Oh, and Leon Claw takes it by spin finish. So at the end of those battles, we have Rhino Horn with only 6 wins, and Leon Claw combo takes it with 14 wins in that match. There's still no bursts. Next up, we will have Spaghetti again with his Phoenix Wing 560 point combo. Now this is a very, very, very popular combo at the moment. So fingers crossed for everyone out there. You're probably hoping this one does really well. Let's see how we go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Boom. First win to Phoenix Wing. Oh, let's go Leon Claw. Literally round number 10, the halfway mark. Leon Claw steals a win. Three, two, one, let it rip. Yeah, we got a burst, but I think that was a mid-air burst. I'm gonna have to redo that one, I'm afraid. 2, 1, let it rip. Whee. Alright, we're at the same point again. 2 more battles, still no bursts. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Last match where we see a burst. Let it rip. Got a couple hits on the Ratchet then. It's all blade now though. Ooh. And Leon Claw, it takes the last round for me. So after 20 battles, Phoenix Wing takes 15 wins, 5 losses, but 0 bursts. I'm not going to count the mid-air burst. I need to watch the footage back, but I'm pretty sure that was a mid-air burst. But yeah, pretty cool to see that, although Phoenix Wing definitely a dominant combo, our 980 Ratchet still hasn't burst. Next up, we have a combo from SD9153 with their Cobalt Drake 360 gear flat. This is going to be fast and heavy. Look at this mean old combo here. Let's give it a go. 1, let it rip. Jeez! I mean, I think that's Leon Claw's win. One, let it rip. Oh! That might have been in the air as well. I think that was in the air as well. Hey, don't forget, check out the angled launchers from Noozle 3D because it will stop problems like this, like clashing in the air. Go shoot. Leon Claw on point. Might be the counter to gear flat combos. Is anyone using gear flat combos anyway? 3, 2, 1, let it rip. When Cobalt Drake stops, it just stops dead. That might be a negative from the weight, really, on an attack bit like this. Is this? Yeah, last 2 battles. Still no bursts. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Ooh, there were some big hits from Cobalt Drake there, but no burst. Last chance, Cobalt Drake. What are you saying? 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Well, Cobalt Drake wins the round, but overall loses 8 points to 12 with 0 burst finishes. Very surprising. I thought if anything was going to smash it out, it was going to be Cobalt Drake. So we have our last combo from Ryan Williams, Shark Edge 960 low flats. I think if anything's going to burst Ratchets, it's going to be a Shark Edge on low flat and a 60 height bit. I haven't tested out on 960 yet, so this is something I've actually wanted to try, so thank you for submitting the combo. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Go shoot. Ba-boom. Alright, Leon Claw is 1 ahead. Can Shark Edge equalize? Can it get a burst? This is the last battle. Can I just say, after 99 rounds, this still hasn't burst. I know there were 2 bursts from air launches, but that's pretty impressive. Last battle, let's go. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Alright, that was an air KO. That was an air KO. We'll do that one again. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Damn, that was almost picture perfect together, wasn't it? I swear. At the end of that round, Shark Edge loses 9 to 11 with 0 bursts. So was anyone else expecting Leon Claw to get a winning ratio out of that? That's insane. It won 51 out of the 100 battles. And not only that, a big fat 0 for bursts. Now we did get trounced by the Phoenix Wing combo. That was super one-sided, but nothing else was really that one-sided. So super impressed with this little combo here. Do I think it's gonna be meta defining? Probably not, but what I do think is 980 is gonna be a beast of a Ratchet when it comes out. Fingers crossed we can pull it, because Sphinx Cowl is in another short booster. But I'm really hoping I do, because I think this is going to be great. Again, check out Metal's video. That's what inspired this testing. He'll take you through how to change your ratchets around if you want to do some custom color combos, and if you want to try out your own 980 yourself. But yeah, let me know what you think about the testing down in the comments. Let me know if there's anything you'd like me to test next. But until the next one, peace.